নমস্কাৰ NSR টিচাৰসকল মই আজি আপোনালোকৰ বাবে আপোনালোকৰ যেটো 503 এটো লাৰ্নিং ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ এট এলিমেন্টাৰী লেভেলৰ কিছুমান প্ৰশ্ন কাকত সংগ্ৰহ কৰিছো যেটো অলৰেডি হৈ যোৱা প্ৰশ্ন কাকত যেটো 15 16 আৰু 18 এনসাৰ হ প্ৰশ্ন কাকতখন আপোনালোকৰ বাবে সংগ্ৰহ কৰিছো আৰু ইয়াত 2015 আগতে হৈ যোৱা 2016 2018 17খন পোৱা নাই তেওঁলোকে এই তিনিখন আপলোড কৰা হৈছে আপুনি প্ৰথমতে চাই লব তিনিখন আছে না নাই ভিডিওটোত প্ৰথমতে আপুনি নিজে কনফাৰ্মেশন হৈ লব যে ভিডিওটো 2015 2016 আৰু 2018 পেপাৰ আছে না নাই আৰু ইয়াত সম্পূৰ্ণ এনসাৰ হ আছে আপুনি নিজে এনসাৰখিনি কৰিব নালাগে বিচাৰি উলাই আপুনি সময় নষ্ট কৰিব নালাগে কাৰণ সম্পূৰ্ণ এনসাৰ ইয়াত দিয়া আছে এই তিনিখন পেপাৰতে আৰু আপোনালোকে নিজেও গম পায় লাৰ্নিং ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ এট এলিমেন্টাৰী লেভেলৰ যেটো কোর্স এটো ইমান সহজ কোর্স নহয় কঠিন কোর্স হয় আৰু এই কঠিন কোর্সটো আপোনালোকে যদি এখিনি কোৱেশ্চন চাব পাৰে বা এখিনি যিমানখিনি কোৱেশ্চন আছে এই তিনিখন পেপাৰত এখিনি কোৱেশ্চন যদি আপুনি সম্পূৰ্ণভাৱে চাব পাৰে তেনেহলে আপুনি ভাবি লব এক্সামৰ কাৰণে আপুনি 50 মাৰ্ক বা 50% মাৰ্কৰ এনসাৰ আপোনাৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ হৈ আছে কাৰণ এই তিনিখন পেপাৰত আপোনাৰ কমসে কম 50% কমন পোৱাটো একেবাৰে 100% শিওর কাৰণ ইয়াত তিনিখন পেপাৰত বহুতখিনি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কোৱেশ্চন যিবিলাক কোৱেশ্চন এক্সামত আহিছে এই এক্সামত আহিছে এইবোৰ কোৱেশ্চন যত আপোনালোকে নিজে আমি নিজে তৈয়াৰ কৰা নাই এইবিলাক কোৱেশ্চন অলৰেডি এক্সামত আহিছে যিবিলাক 15ত আহিছে 16ত আহিছে 18ত আহিছে যে এইবিলাক কোৱেশ্চন বিলাক অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ আপোনালোকে কোৱেশ্চনখিনি অৱহেলা নকৰিব কমসে কম ভিডিওটো অলম লং হলেও দীঘল হলে আপোনালোকে ইউটিউবত সেভ কৰি ৰাখি লব সেভ কৰি কমসে কম আধা ঘন্টা সময় লাগে আপুনি ভিডিওটো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈ ভালদৰে চাই লব কাৰণ বহুত গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কোৱেশ্চন ইয়াত সোমাই আছে তিনিখন পেপাৰত আৰু কোৱেশ্চনখিনি সম্পূৰ্ণ কোৱেশ্চন আছে আপোনাৰ আৰু এনসাৰ হ দিয়া আছে আপুনি প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈ ভালদৰে চাব তাৰ আগতে গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কথা আপুনি যদি মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেনেহলে ভিডিওটোৰ তলত থকা ৰঙা আখৰেৰে লিখা সাবস্ক্ৰিপশনটো ক্লিক কৰি লগে বেল আইকনটো ক্লিক কৰিব আৰু যদি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিছে তেনেহলে নালাগে ভিডিওটো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈ চাওক কাৰণ বহুত গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কোৱেশ্চন বহুত সময়ৰ অন্তত আপোনালোক কোৱেশ্চনখিনি সংগ্ৰহ কৰিব পাৰিছে কিন্তু মই 17খন এতিয়ালৈকে সংগ্ৰহ কৰিব পৰা নাই 17 2017 যেটো এতিয়াও চাই আছো বিচাৰি পালে আপোনালোকক আপলোড কৰি দিম তো তিনিখন পাইছো পেপাৰ 2015 2016 আৰু 18 পেপাৰখন আপোনালোকে ভালদৰে চাই লব ধন্যবাদ
Looks out mid-on. Again, comes down the pitch. Wants to go over mid-on. It's flat. Safe set of hands, Jadeja. What a brilliant fieldsman he is. That's a huge wicket for CSK. See the disappointment. He was hitting the ball well. Was playing really well this service. Coming on for 18. RCB 35 away.
Marvel Studios Avengers Infinity War in theaters April 27.
How far is Mars from Earth?
Forget typing. Use your voice to control your geophone. Get your effectively free geophone now.
जीरो ट्रांजिट डैमेज गारंटी तभी तो हमारी खरीदारी है फ्लिपकार्ट की जिम्मेदारी
Deal for appliances का dependable store. Flipkart.
Smith inbox. Another big player. It's AB de Villiers. He's in terrific form as well. Have a look at those numbers. What a batsman. Across all three formats. Every time he seems to walk out, he lights up the IPL. Absolute superstar. And on the surface, I might have got it wrong with the top slaps. It's played a lot better than I expected. I did say sometimes Bangalore, he plays better than it looks. This might be one of those cases. Shardul Thakur playing for India. That's one of the fastest deliveries today, to which Virat Kohli got up. Well, if you get Virat Kohli out, it was a case of just flicking across the side. He's so good with his hands, isn't he? Working to the onside. And he just didn't get it where he wanted to, and he didn't get any timing on it. And in the end, a bit of a dive there for the catch. Nicely taken. And then de Villiers comes out. So there's such pressure on the bowling for these great top-order batsmen. Don't want to chance that out. He's very, very quick. Ravindra Jadeja to his strong arm as well. He's a wonderful athlete. See him take some great catches. Good ground fieldsman. Once again there, getting across to his left quickly and saving a single. Just looking at that replay of Kohli, looked like he tried to go a lot squarer than where he actually hit it. Just hit a fraction higher on the bat than he expected. A bit of an Achilles heel, the opening partnership for the RCB. Swing and a miss. Oh dear, he's lining it up early, wasn't he? He's gone swiping across that one. And lucky to get away with it, de Villiers. He'd just gone over the top of off stump there, seems back, but the length, it's not quite short enough for de Villiers here. He looks for the front foot pull shot. He's only just missed the pegs. Look if you've seen the track. He's hitting one of those cracks there. The wicket made it. He's 35 for 1.
Extra cool menthol और action deo fragrance के साथ synthol cool तो आप संतो कर दो set.
Watch this match and 550 more live TV channels on your geophone. Get your effectively free geophone now. 5-star 3D.
chocolate cream और biscuit balls वाली 5-star 3D जो खाए अलग लेवल पे खो जाए
There's no doubt when you looked at that pitch, it was like a jigsaw puzzle. It's a 2 million piece jigsaw puzzle, Clark, and it took a year to complete. Never good at jigsaws. Harbacher, hint of turn. It's the last over. Again, a tough over for a spinner to bowl in a T20 game. Yeah, well, they've got him back in the side. Good to see him out there. They could try anything, and they were being dispatched. Goes for a injury and clears it very easily. Good shot. Just comes to the crease. See him miss that front foot pull shot last over. was not praising one man. Look at the confidence in his own ability. Confident to come down the wicket, goes with the spin, hits through the line, mid on back as well. So he knows he's got to get it over his head. Does it comfortably. Yeah, well, you just backed on there not being any turn. It's in the power play still, so the ball's hard.
Yeah, they're all there. The winners of the Star Plus Decon IPL Chao contest. 4 contest winners. Everywhere you see them, they're always having a wonderful time.
Shot refocus with dual rear camera, Vivo V9.
Go slower.
Backs away, and a bit of respect. 17 runs from that over, 52 for 1.
ఇది అన్న 4G SIM. No da, this is not a 4G SIM. This is a season pass बचा. अब चेन्नई का हर फैन देख सकता है T20 सीजन का हर मैच लाइव एंड फ्री.
सबके लिए नहीं।
ओह, एयरटेल 4G पर अब T20 क्रिकेट भी देखना हो तो सही चुनो. डाउनलोड एयरटेल TV ऐप टुडे.
First player, he'll keep accelerating.
A bit of red and black to rejoice now with the last over. They went extremely silent when Virat Kohli fell. It's an intriguing battle. 2 big teams, 2 captains who've been captains of their countries as well. Ravindra Jadeja being brought into the attack at the end of the power play. 144 games, 83 wickets. Economy a touch under 8. He's going on your left-hander. Immediately some turn.
Yeah, a bit of turn. That's a good sign for Jadeja. And for that man there, MS Dhoni. It's gone to his spinners early. 52 now. The first 6. Spin's going to play such an important part. To see the change from the first ball, and he takes on the sweep shot, going with the spin. So there's an opportunity maybe here if it starts to grip and gets away from the right-handed De Villiers. There's maybe a catch presenting what might point. If you run past one, the slip's in place, and Shane Watson comes in the first slip.
Second place. And sweeps. Once again. Clears the boundary. What is he doing?
What is he on? What level he's taking? It's just phenomenal batting. It's confidence clunky, isn't it? I mean, it's incredible striking. It's not a bad ball.
Outside the off stump.
Gillies again, the timing. Loves sweeping that ball right on square leg, straight at the umpire. Look at that now, goes leg side and now offside. Got to say, we spoke a little bit about the different captaincy styles between MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli before the start of this game. Just even seeing that field from MS Dhoni, I really liked it.
If you need to score quick, you need to pick the singles. Married?
No, I'm single. Be prepared to score quick with easy to carry and easy to open
Villiers.
If you need to score quick, you need to focus on your footwork.
Be prepared to score quick. With easy to carry and easy to open Score Quick condoms.
Presenting the lush new XUV 500.
डबल वॉलेट, तभी तो हमारी खरीदारी
है फ्लिपकार्ट की जिम्मेदारी.
टीवी और अप्लायंसेस का डिपेंडेबल स्टोर, फ्लिपकार्ट. Stay there. Within, मेरा जूता. In the beginning, this place was pure creation. Bring yourself back online.
Welcome to Westworld.
As I live each of it.
He's got the oceans and the rivers in his hands. He's got the oceans and the
Create life itself
in his hands.
out of chaos.
The whole world in his hands.
Just don't forget, not real.
He's got the whole world in his hands.
After a great start here, Villiers and Quinton de Kock put together a quick partnership, 28 of 16. Lots of questions in front of MSD, but he's got lots of options. Shane Watson being brought into the attack from the north end.
I like this from MS Stoney. Shane Watson's got a very good record against AB de Villiers. Their bowlers do, but he does. So matches up well against AB.
Gee, they're sneaking back. The two was going to go. He had to go there. Direct team was required. Watson. Well, he gets played for RCB, isn't he? He knows the likes of some of the opposition he's taking on. And it was, in the end, good running, but a bit of helter-skelter. There was just that hesitation that could have cost the Villiers. Oh, just got one.
The three people converging. Nobody knew who was going to go for it. That allowed that extra time to both the batsmen. Scamper for the second. Shane Watson worked wonderfully enough at Pune. Quinton de Kock. He's off to a start as well. Cut away into the gap.
Yeah, beautiful hands. Getting extra pace on the ball from Watson. Gets it a fraction wide. Tim de Kock striking the ball cleanly tonight. A little bit of luck earlier with a big pull shot top edge. Just out of MS Stoney's reach, but since then, he's made all the bowlers pay.
Yeah, I just wonder the impact that de Villiers is going to have on de Kock as well.
Fast off spinner. Gets it through for a dot ball.
He's used five bowlers, and Shane Watson being the fifth. Cuts away once again, and Sam Billings then very quick across the turf.
Fielding and backing up. There's about three of them there. AB de Villiers, he's got all the shots in the world, but he loves to swing. spinners, and you just notice the line, they're all outside off stump, and it's the big movement, and it gives them the ability to hit it early and get it forward of square, or hit it later and then it goes square in behind deep square leg. It's almost like he plays to a clock, he can hit it to challenge, but he hit it to every part of the ground.
The other problem there is all those deliveries are good deliveries. And if he wishes so, he can go inside out as well.
So that's where the problem lies for the bowler. Yeah, that's why I think as a left arm orthodox, your line is so important to AB de Villiers. Those balls there are all missing. If he misses the ball and it hits his front pad, it's missing. It's outside the line. I think if you're going to bowl to AB de Villiers early in his innings and you know he's going to swing, you've got to go straighter. You've got to attack middle stump. So if he misses, you hit. At least you bring in the dismissal that way.
And also then your field has to be very key because you don't want that mid-wicket in front. You want it very square, possibly a deep square leg and a deep mid-wicket which are tighter, and force him to hit you in front, which makes him think differently. Clips 1, 2, long gone, 9 runs of that over. It's 72 for 1.